Sometimes your newborn is so sleepy that getting them to feed can feel like a challenge. If your baby is difficult to wake for feeds, you're not alone. On Pump with Thilly, we're sharing simple, gentle ways to help your sleepy newborn feed effectively. First, try gentle stimulation before feeding. Unwrap your baby from a blanket, change their diaper, or gently rub their back, hands, or feet. Skin-to-skin contact can also help wake your baby and encourage feeding behaviors. Keep the room comfortably bright and avoid making your baby too cozy while you're trying to start the feed. Watch for early hunger cues rather than waiting for crying. A sleepy newborn may show subtle signs like moving their hands toward their mouth, licking their lips, opening their mouth, turning their head, or becoming more alert. Offering the breast when you notice these cues can make feeding easier. During breastfeeding, make sure your baby has a deep, comfortable latch. If your baby starts sucking but quickly falls asleep, gently compress the breast to increase milk flow. You can also try switching sides when your baby becomes less active. These techniques may help your baby stay engaged with the feeding. If you're bottle feeding expressed breast milk or formula, use paced bottle feeding and watch your baby's cues. Keep your baby comfortably upright and allow pauses rather than encouraging them to finish quickly. Most importantly, pay attention to overall feeding and diaper patterns. Newborns generally need frequent feeds, and adequate wet and dirty diapers are important signs that feeding is going well. If your baby consistently refuses feeds, is unusually difficult to wake, has fewer wet diapers than expected, seems weak, or you're concerned about weight gain, contact your pediatrician promptly. And remember, a sleepy baby isn't necessarily a problem, but a baby who is unusually difficult to wake or repeatedly cannot feed needs medical attention. For more practical breastfeeding, newborn feeding, and breast pump guidance, subscribe to Pump with Thilly. You're learning, your baby is learning, and you don't have to figure it all out alone.